Hey guys, this is a educational awareness video for all the Indian physical therapy students out there. Now, the Indian physical therapy CPD education is at a serious threat. So recently, one student from Nagpur has used our CPD helpline to ask about this particular workshop, which was supposed to be hosted in her own city, Nagpur. When our team researched into it, we have seen many flaws in respect to the advertisement posters and regarding the instructor as well. So organizers and instructor has been fooling and scamming Indian physios since long. This is one of the pure example of it. Now this poster has so much of misleading information which left unnoticed for a fresh graduate student who just pass out from their colleges. Now when we dig more into this advertisement poster, the title itself has been modified or misrepresented with his own self-naming technique of integrated taping techniques, which involves the athletic taping and the kinesiology taping. If you zoom into all the types of taping which is being presented in this particular workshop, you will see the technique itself is incorrectly done by the instructor. So the instructor first clearly lacks knowledge about the different types of taping application. Now the poster sees as a zinc oxide tape and an athletic tape being represented with the same white color bandages. The brown tape is the one which is actually a zinc oxide tape. Now imagine if the instructor itself has such a poor knowledge about the types of application which goes first into its poster. Imagine what kind of knowledge he is going to share to the students. And then the instructor and this institute promote this as the UK accredited provider certification, which the basic knowledge itself is completely false. Plus he also claims to give the suffix which is incorrect and the misleading information just to attract the students. So there is nothing like this suffix. Anyone can use any suffix in India. Second, the modified kinesiotaping technique is his own self as an integrated one. So this is entirely a workshop which is filled itself with such misleading information. Students should be aware of such workshop and organizers who host such workshop by fooling students and their parents' money. We already has notified Maharashtra Council about it. So you stay aware and create awareness amongst your colleagues so that you don't fall prey to such workshop to ruin your future education and to get any kind of learning with the wrong techniques and misleading information about the taping techniques. It's always advisable to do it from a person who is a certified practitioner or an institute that is internationally accredited and recognized. Just getting a CPD accredited membership does not authenticate the workshops. So please be aware and make your colleagues aware of such workshop which is just there to earn money and not to promote a good quality education. Thank you so much guys. Stay aware.